Want to capture fast action without a blurry mess? Finding the best video camera for sports is crucial for sharp footage. Keep watching as we rank 5 top cameras, guaranteeing you never miss a play. Product number 1, Canon EOS Rebel T7. First up is the Canon EOS Rebel T7. If you're shooting from the sidelines, this camera is a fantastic starting point. While widely known for photography, its video capabilities are great for recording field sports like soccer or baseball in crisp, high definition. The biggest advantage here is the interchangeable lens system. You can easily swap to a telephoto lens to get right up close to the action on the opposite side of the field. The large sensor handles outdoor lighting beautifully, giving your footage a professional look that smartphones struggle to match. It is very easy to use, meaning beginners will not feel overwhelmed by complicated menus. If you want a versatile option capturing amazing action shots and solid sideline video without emptying your wallet, the Rebel T7 is a highly reliable choice for parents and amateur sports fans alike.
Product number 2, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Next on the list is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This tiny camera is an absolute beast for capturing smooth, fast-moving sports footage. What makes it special is the built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This means you can literally run alongside a skateboarder, follow a track runner, or film a fast basketball game, and the footage will remain perfectly stable without any annoying shakes. It features an impressive 1-inch sensor that records stunning 4K video, even when the sun starts going down during an evening game. The active tracking technology is a massive help for sports. You just tap on the athlete on the screen, and the camera automatically moves to keep them dead center in the frame. It easily fits in your pocket, making it incredibly convenient to bring to any sporting event. For smooth, professional-looking tracking shots on the move, this is a phenomenal tool. Product number 3, Insta360 Action Camera. Coming in at number 3 is the Insta360 Action Camera, a rugged powerhouse built specifically for extreme sports and outdoor adventures. If your sport involves getting wet, muddy, or taking hard hits, this is the camera you need. It is fully waterproof and incredibly tough, meaning you can mount it to a mountain bike, a surfboard, or a snowboard without worrying about breaking it. The built-in stabilization is top tier, smoothing out the roughest bumps and jumps to give you highly watchable video. It also shoots in brilliant 4K, ensuring every detail of your high adrenaline moments is captured perfectly. The replaceable lens cover adds great peace of mind if you take a bad spill during a race. It is small, lightweight, and easy to mount anywhere. For those who want to record point-of-view action footage right in the middle of the chaos, this durable camera is exactly what you need.
Product number 4, Sony FDR AX43 UHD Handycam. Our fourth pick is the Sony FDR AX43 UHD Handycam. This is the ultimate camcorder taken to a professional level. If you're a parent filming your kids' football or soccer games from the stands, this is brilliant. The standout feature is Sony's balanced optical steady shot. The entire internal lens assembly moves to absorb shakes, meaning even when you are fully zoomed in on the opposite side of the field, your footage stays incredibly stable. It features a powerful optical zoom lens, allowing you to get tight shots of the action without losing any 4K image quality. The autofocus is super fast, tracking players effortlessly as they sprint across the turf. It also has a built-in microphone, capturing clear stadium audio. It sits comfortably in your hand for long periods, making it a highly practical and reliable option for recording full hour-long sporting events without arm fatigue.
Product number 5, Panasonic HC-V900 Camcorder. Rounding out our list is the Panasonic HC-V900 Camcorder. This is a remarkably lightweight and user-friendly option that punches way above its weight class for sports recording. The biggest selling point here is the massive optical zoom range. It allows you to sit way up in the highest bleachers and still get a clear, close-up view of the athletes on the field. It features excellent built-in image stabilization to keep those heavily zoomed shots from looking jittery. The camera shoots in beautiful high definition, ensuring your sports memories look great on a big TV screen. Because it is so light, your arm will not get tired holding it up during a long baseball tournament or dance competition. It is essentially a point-and-shoot camcorder, making it perfect for anyone who just wants to hit record and get great results. It is a fantastic, budget-friendly workhorse for everyday sports filming.
To wrap up, upgrading to a dedicated sports camera gives you the extreme zoom and stabilization smartphones simply cannot match. For budget buyers, the Canon and Panasonic offer fantastic entry-level value. The DJI and Insta360 sit in the mid-range for incredible action tracking, while the premium Sony provides unmatched camcorder stability. Check the links below.